morning, everybody. Daniel with Real Family Adventures and Memories. We are here smelling the beautiful, clean air in the mountains. Last night was a great, spooky evening, but today we're going to walk it off. We're going to show you guys some waterfalls. Stick around with us, guys. This is going to be a good one. See, we love to go to the different events that we've been going to lately, but look, it's so nice to find yourself out in the wilderness. The fresh smells and sounds. Gonna hit the trail right now. And so you guys know today's adventure is a family affair. We have everybody walking with us, coming through the rock bed here. I hear some water down there. So shiny. Check this out, everybody. They left these for bears or something. Fresh fruit and coconut. Whoa. Our first sample of fresh H2O. Here it is. We're getting closer, everybody. Small little stream. Oh yes, the magic and power of water. We can hear it in the back. We're coming up on the first small cascade. Nini's never seen one in life, only at theme parks. Check this out, everybody. How is it, Nini? Good. Good? Yeah, you miss climbing? She said, I miss climbing. Yeah, look at that.
Shower time.
She's just happy, guys.
I want to process
that. She wants to touch the water. Yeah, we're going to be hiking up there.
Yeah, I'm going to be going up.
You'll be going all the way around. All right, guys, I wanted to give a shout out to Chasing Different Adventures for bringing us on this adventure. We're gonna go and see his favorite spot, which is what?
Oh, it's a waterfall.
It's a waterfall. No location, just what is it?
It's Cascades and Waterfalls.
Cascades and waterfalls. Here we go. We will be hiking up and through. Let's go, guys. We made it a little bit, honey. Climbing up, climbing up. Keep going. Huh? It's a pool, yeah.
Where?
Oh, people do. People just go right here sometimes and not even any further. We found another area. It's a little private, pulled off area where we can go through. We can climb through this way and go around, or we can go down here and go around that way. All right, we made it across. Now is Yesenia's turn. Mondo's thinking about it over there. This was the very beginning of the cascade. All right.
And I'm doing it with my dress shoes. I forgot to pack my hiking shoes.
Dress shoes, believe it or not. Nini's a trooper, guys. We are advancing. What a trooper. We have this whole place to ourselves because typically they take the path that's over there on the trail. Look, Nini, look at this little area. Oh, we can take a bath in here. Wowzers. We've come to an interesting crossroad, huh, Nini? This way, we either go across. Check this beauty out. That's where we came from down there. We can go across, or we can go back on the trail that way through those trees. It's up to us right now. So this is the balcony, everybody, right here where people normally just look. Waterfalls through the trees there. They normally take pictures and walk back. We are gonna climb the side of the, you can kind of see people way out in the distance. We're gonna go and get some nice shots of those cascades for you guys. Here we go. Woo. Still hiking, guys. Nini is so brave. Look at her. She wants to touch the water every time. Beautiful. Clean air. Getting us out of our element, making us work a little bit. Okay. You good right there? Still going through here. Still going through. We're gonna climb. Oh! Climb around, climb around. Getting closer to another cascade here. Yeah, look at that water, Nini. Look at this awesome bush. No, tree, huh? It's not a bush. Guys, so we made it up another tier here. Some of the wonderful scenes. I want to show you something. If you peek right over, do you see how the tiers just keep going up and up and up and up? Well, behind that one is a large waterfall. That's the ultimate goal, is to get there. Woohoo! Nini's a trooper. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at the views from up here, by the way. Look at them beautiful mountains in the back. Oh yeah. Another wonderful shot of the waterfalls that are coming down, cascading down here, all the way down. And of course, we came from just beyond those trees. We're gonna make it. We're gonna go up there, guys. Lunchtime for Nini. Lunchtime. Eating a Nutella sandwich. By the way, guys, thank you so much for always tuning in to Real Family Adventures and Memories. Hit that like button. Subscribe now, guys. We have more adventures to come. All right, everybody. Different perspective here of our different layers, our tiers of this waterfall that will go all the way up there. It's high up. We'll see how this goes. Almost there, almost there. Holy moly, we made it up. Waterfall right there. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's the sound of excitement, guys. Some other people enjoying it. Oh, Nini, how was it, buddy? You made it. Was it tough? Yeah.
It's fun.
It was good though, right?
So I put my feet in the water?
Go for it. Yeah. That's the first one. We're gonna take the drone and go look at the others, guys. Stick tuned. melting on my face. Just listen for a moment. All right, Nini. Nini made it all the way to the top of the waterfalls. She wanted to go there, but I said, nah, you're a little tired. Let's just hang out here with the pool, the nice waterfall in the back. Wow, look, there's ropes all the way up. Nuts. I won't do it, but I'm sure some people would love it. I'm not that brave yet. All right, everybody, thank you so much for tagging along with us at this beautiful waterfall site. If you guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Better yet, hit that notification bell on your way out. We'll see you on the next one. Little nature loving here. Check that out.